everybody. Welcome to Holidays with Anthro. I'm Maddie. I manage brand styling for Anthropologie and Beholden, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be wearing throughout the season. This is my stylist, Finn. So what I have here is this amazing sequin skirt, paired it back to a super cozy kind of oversized cardigan. So this gives it really nice juxtaposition and it's not too fancy or too formal. I have another great alternative for you. Same skirt, same idea with the cardigan, totally different look. The really tonal kind of teal cardigan paired back to it, and I think this is going to be a big hit. Next on my list of winter must-haves is an amazing printed, fun midi dress. So while this feels really dressy, it's all about how I accessorized it. So right now I have it paired with some really beautiful amber drop earrings, and then kept my neck kind of simple just to let the print really shine, and paired it with these really fun lace booties that have a little bit of a heel. Dressed down with this super cozy jacket. Actually, I think this is more of a shacket because it's not a shirt, it's not a jacket, but it's really cozy and has amazing texture. Makes it feel really fun and flirty, which I love. And of course, my sneakers to top it off, or something in between. All I did is took a belt that I had, cinched it at the waist, paired it back to a great pair of jeans that I know and love, and same heels for a little extra height. Finn, what do you think about this dress? Now things are getting a little bit more casual, but still very festive. I kept my jeans on and then swapped the top for this amazing velvet blouse. If you don't have velvet in your closet yet this holiday season, it's time to stock up. I absolutely adore this color. I went for something a little bit more bold, out of my usual realm. It comes in so many colors. I like to give it a little bit of a knot at the waist, so I think this gives just a fun little touch and detail and gave it a little bit of cuff. You can also just give it a little half tuck. So I love this just for a more casual, relaxed, both pieces in at the front and then hangs at the back, and then button all the way to the top. And now you have something that feels a little bit more polished, but still really comfy. And then I, of course, paired it back to these tonal green plastic lucite earrings, which I love. So I thought they brought out the green color, which was so beautiful. Things are getting really cozy over here. So I can wear this top separate and the skirt separate, or they're super cozy all together. Oh, remember this old thing? I think the color pairing, the chartreuse with the neutral, is so lovely. Remember this skirt? You can pair that same sweater back to the original sequin skirt for something that's a little bit more neutral. It's pajama season. I love the cheetah print on these. I think it's so fun. What I love about this sweater is this has like a really beautiful half zip, so you can wear this layered right on top of the pajama set. I love this half zip style because it works with the V-neck of the pajamas. This is something I'll be wearing all winter long with a great pair of jeans. And don't forget slippers. These are so cozy and soft. Finn and I want to wish you a very safe, happy, and healthy holiday season. Where are you going?